Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to be installing a Valvetronic Designs exhaust on the Camaros. So this is actually their universal muffler kit. It just comes with the axle back portion. So as you can see, we have the muffler right there. Kind of in a rush right now because we're supposed to be on a flight for family vacation in like 3 hours, and somehow I have to go to the muffler shop and get this all welded on and then be there on time for the flight. So it's a crunch, boys. It's a grind, but I think we can get it done. But as you can see, this looks super sick. We have the valves right here. This is an actuator. This blows open, closes one side, and then it directs it to the other side when you have both of them open. So when this is closed, one time I just want to reiterate this. This portion is cut off, I'm pretty sure. And then when both of them are open, both pipes have exits, so it's a little bit louder. As recall, Valvetronic Designs actually is the same exhaust that I have on the Mustang, and it sounds absolutely insane. But look at this. These are the tips that are going to be going on the Camaro. If I can get them out, they're carbon fiber. They look super dope. This right here is what the carbon fiber tips look like. So they're super sick, dual tips, and it'll go on like that. And then the Camaro is going to be ripping and sounding absolutely insane. So let's go ahead, pack everything up, and head to the muffler shop. LJ, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. It's excited.
I don't think he packed. Let me talk to him.
Yes, I did. I packed already, Mom. I packed. I'm ready to go.
I'm good. I feel good.
Here we go. So this time schedule is going to be tight. Hopefully they can get it done because I'm supposed to be back here in 2 hours. I think that's more than enough time anyways. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I also got to give you guys a couple of idling clips and what the remote start sounds like right now when we get to the Camaro, so you can get a comparison. It's the most efficient way to get it all packed up. So hopefully the door closes. Almost didn't. And now we're set to go. I'll do a remote start and then show you the idle with some revs. Hopefully the Karens here don't get pissed. I've currently got the camera all propped up because I'm going to record for TikTok, but we're going to do this remote start. This is the official last remote start with the stock exhaust. If it'll do it. This is what the factory idle sounds like while the valves are open. So it's not very loud. You can't really hear anything, but that's about to change real quick. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but the family and I, Liram and my mom, are going to Dubai for like 9 days. So we're going to Ferrari World. It's going to be super cool. We're also going to be driving some crazy cars while we're there. But one thing I'm not looking forward to is the heat, because it's super hot here in South Florida, and it's only going to be hotter over there. Like, it's going to be nuts, like 100 degrees plus. But I'm just waiting for the car to get warm so we can get some stock exhaust rev clips. Just wanted to confirm that the car was indeed having the valves open right now. So you can go to engine sound within the settings and you can set it to sport and it'll be super loud. I'm literally trying to rev this car up right now and the oil temps are not coming up. So 165 is not operating temp. Like, I wait till at least 180 to go hard on the car and it's just taking forever and we don't have time to spare here. So I don't know what to do. Should take only a couple more minutes. I mean, it's at 167 now, but this is ridiculous. It's just wasting time and sitting here. Never mind. So the temps are good now, but I'm gonna have to put the camera and prop it up because I don't have anyone else to record me. So I'm gonna jump in the car and rev it up so you guys can get an idea of what this stock exhaust sounds like and then how much an improvement the Valvetronic is gonna be. I'm also propping my phone up. And now we got to get out of here because the Karens are going to have a seizure because I just did that. So let's bounce. Oh Lord, I already can see them coming out. So I guess I'll also drive a little bit spirited so you guys can hear what it sounds like. But I'm sure I'm going to get a complaint for that. So that's what the stock exhaust sounds like. I'm going to stop before I get a ticket out here because there's always a ton of cops. And then we'll hop on the highway and get to the muffler shop. I think we're pretty close. I don't know, I have the navigation going on my phone, so 10 minutes away. We're gonna give me some looks for this one, but this is what it sounds like inside the cabin. Oh my God, we gotta go, we gotta go. Ah! This is why you don't do stuff last minute, boys. People are getting mad, people are getting mad. Oh my God. I need to stop doing stuff last minute. Just trying to get out of emergency merging lane just now, and I went like a little bit over the speed limit, and a cop was right next to me, but he didn't even do anything. I guess it's justified though, because I had to speed up to merge and stuff, but I thought I was screwed for sure on the way to the muffler shop. Imagine I get pulled over and can kiss that new exhaust system goodbye until I get back from Dubai, which is like a 9-day trip. So it'd be pretty significant and pretty long before we can get it going. I have no idea why they told me I could come and then they turned me down. So big rips. I guess we're just gonna vlog me breaking the carbon fiber hood because I have to get a warranty replacement. It's a carbon fiber GT500 hood from Anderson Composites. But yeah, I'm kind of mad about that because they wasted my time low key. So I came all the way here expecting to get the job done because I called earlier and he said bring it by, we'll get it done, and then now I get here and they said I need an appointment. So I don't get that, man, at all. Since the muffler shop decided to turn me down out of nowhere, we're gonna destroy this hood. Gino showed up because he's part of the demolition team, and I think we're gonna run it over. So we're gonna take the Camaro and just completely run it over and then send them the pictures, and hopefully they'll send me a new one. And then as far as the vlog goes, I don't know what I'm gonna do because that ruined the entire vlog direction. I really wanted to get that exhaust on. So this is the Anderson Composites GT500 hood that I got in the mail, destroyed due to poor packaging. So you can see their label right there. Where? Oh yeah, I took another hit on the bottom because they just didn't care to really package it that well. If you can see right here, I marked that area off that's like destroyed. It's only clear coat, but I marked it off for the warranty pictures, and then they said destroy it and we'll send you a refund. So we're gonna run it over with the car. I was just telling Gino that this is so cringe. Bro, who cares? We're destroying it. But it's such a nice hood and we're wrecking it. Like, this is so stupid, bro. But I don't really understand the logic behind that because they're already out and losing money, you know? So why do they care if you resell something that they couldn't package properly?
I have no idea.
It just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, let me keep it. I paid for it. It's not my fault. You guys can't package it correctly. They literally put it in like the most flimsy box with one piece of styrofoam over it. And then someone picked it up. Whoever shipped this, they used a forklift, you can see on the box, and it just destroyed it. Literally so cringy. Yeah. Oh my god. You're gonna struggle breaking it too. Jump on it one more time.
Yo, it's a trampoline.
It's strong.
I'm serious, try it. It's a trampoline.
I don't want to make too much noise because I know the Karens are gonna start complaining, so I say we run it over one time and see if it'll break, but it looks like it's super, super strong. So when I run it over, should I try to go with both wheels or just one wheel over it? I don't think it's wide enough. I think you're just gonna have to go with one wheel.
Yeah, I don't think so.
But is my car gonna clear that without hitting?
Bro, what? Oh, what? How did it survive?
Bro! I just ran it over with a car and it didn't break. How are we gonna break this thing, dude?
Put it like on the incline and then run it over.
Run it over?
Yeah.
Did it sound like I messed up the Camaro or no?
Hell nah.
Or I just like rolled over it?
Nah, bro, the Camaro's a rally beast. No, I'm kidding.
I don't think it's gonna break.
Nah, it's definitely gonna break now.
Whoa.
Oh. Toby about to go in for round 2. Gotta let him know if it clears. It's gonna clear.
Yeah, but the hotel manager's here.
DG, what do you have to say,
Or,
Toby?
the apartment manager.
That'll look awkward as
we're not doing anything here.
Alright, I'm gonna keep awkwardly recording. Good.
Yeah,
Isn't that such a waste?
Carbon fiber hood, but that's for the Mustang, isn't it?
Yeah, we're supposed to destroy it because it came damaged.
Really?
Isn't that such a waste?
Yeah, because
God.
the company.
Can you return it?
Yeah, the company said as long as I destroy it, they'll send me another one.
Oh my
yeah?
god,
I can
that's
see
insane.
the image right there. See, carbon fiber, you can't repair it.
Yeah.
It's raw, and once it's, you know, it's, I mean, I'm sure.
Is that custom made?
Huh?
That's
Custom
how it
made?
came, like this.
Yeah, it costs like $1,000.
Oh my god.
But they won't send the replacement unless we break this.
How are you
I
gonna
slept on it.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
It doesn't even break.
What material is that?
It's carbon fiber.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Go ahead.
Do you think
It
about
doesn't
running
break?
over at this angle, it'll break it?
Running over.
Yeah.
Just rolled over it.
it.
It just rolled over. Crushed. Or it won't say
Yeah.
crushed, just flexed.
Yeah, just flex.
Flexed. Okay. So my suggestion though is move it out a little bit further, so you have more.
What you wanna do?
Well, you know, it's one of those things that is, yeah, it's all carbon fiber. There's no metal backing or any groove in the traction closure or something like that. Or get out the hose.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Thank you guys, appreciate it.
I'll give you a blade. I'll give you a really coarse blade, and then I'll give you a more fine blade.
How is
Thank
it?
you.
It's not heavy, right?
Not really, no.
Alright, so
It's
just
like 30 pounds.
okay.
That boy Toby out here. Got fucking excuse my language. That boy was so stiff.
Yeah,
That boy was so awkward.
I thought they were gonna chew me out, but they actually wanted to help me out, so that's
GG.
pretty funny. I didn't scratch up the car, did I? No. Whatever. I feel like a truck would break it on an incline though, like you just...
Like if I stood on it and then you pulled it back, it would snap in half.
You think so?
You want to try that now? Because I'm not trying to get the Sawzall out unless you are. Bro, you're...
Did scratch it up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, time for a lip. Wait, is this from that? No.
That's bugs, but I guess that was from that. Great. Up my car.
Nah, he's getting a lip now.
Oh no, this kid is sending me a lip. I knew it would scratch it up. I knew it wasn't gonna clear, but I mean, the lip is gonna go right over it.
Pain.
Rip. Big rip. That was stupid.
Toby about to so.
Ah.
All right, you want to try? You want me to try and stand on this and then you pull it back? Yes. You got it? Here, get it more and I'll stand on it. That boy.
This is how we got it. Anderson Composites is like, nah, that's not enough.
That's not broken enough.
Yeah, you can't reuse that at that point. I wish I didn't run that over. I guess you live and you learn, right?
Part 2 of breaking the hood. Sheesh. Yeah, that's toast.
That's broken as
Toast.
There you go.
Hey.
Guys, that was pretty stupid, not gonna lie. Like, I just messed up my brand new 2022 Camaro after having it for like a month or two. Put a nice ding in it right by there. I mean, you'll cover it up with a splitter, but it still kind of sucks. I shouldn't have done that. And I knew the car wasn't clearing, but I kind of just sent it anyways. I was like, oh, full send it. And look what happened. I full sended it into a nice bumper repaint. So, kind of sucks. I don't know what to say, boys. Just in case Anderson Composites questions me, I am throwing this away. All right, you know, I might need some help.
Oh no, you got it. Oh, it's stuck on something. Well, at least it's breaking more.
There it goes. Peace out. Ow, there's carbon in my finger.
Hey, nice.
About to leave for the airport, but I wanted to show you guys a cool little mod I installed yesterday night. So I'll post like the short form of it, or I'll include it within this video. But basically I got some LED color changing side markers. I used to have ones that were just straight up white, but this is super dope, and you can change them with a Bluetooth controller on your phone. So this is the app that I'm talking about. You go to marker lit, and then you can just like change everything up like that. There's a controller with like all these different options, and if anybody gives you trouble, like law enforcement, you can go to solid colors like that. So it's pretty dope. The install was super simple. I mean, I'm gonna show the TikTok video, which is like really short but descriptive. All you do is pop these out. I recommend taking like a knife to this edge, but wrap it around like a kitchen cloth or something like a microfiber, and you pop this one side out while you put your hand in there, and there's a clip. It'll pop right out, you plug them in, and then there's like a connector from this side to the other side. I ran it underneath, and I used zip ties to zip tie it to the exhaust hanger. So if we can get some light on there, if my phone doesn't bug out, I can show that. Flash is not available apparently, but basically I zip tied right there on the exhaust hanger all the way to the other side, and just made sure I had a connection to the other side, and it's super dope and works now. So we can showcase that one more time. If you're interested in getting those, I'll link them down in the description below, and you can use code Sally for 10% off. So that's striker lights. Once again, they have all sorts of RGB cool things for the S550. You can also get an RTR grill like I have on the front, but it's color changing, and I have that on the way for Sally. So that's gonna be super dope when we install that.
For those of you that are keen on following the protocol of the flight, it'll be available on the IC entertainment system on the screen directly ahead of you.
This is crazy, but we're on the flight now, so we're going to Dubai. I'm not sure where this video is going. Maybe I'll update you guys as we get there, but I'm still pretty mad about the muffler shop and what they did. We just got to Dubai. Mom, how was the flight?
It was good. I slept the whole time.
Now you have this diaper on your face. So I just got to the hotel. I didn't film much of the plane ride and that type of stuff because that has nothing to do with the vlog that I was filming before. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update because we were cut short with the whole muffler install or the axle back install for the Valvetronic designs. But this is the room right here. It's super cool. What I think we're gonna do is like take showers, and then my family and I are gonna go out to a road where people will show off their supercars. So you'll see like Bugattis, McLarens, all that type of stuff, and then we'll conclude the vlog there. But this is crazy. Check out this view. So right there you can see like a harbor of the store, and then that's the hotel. It's really nice. I mean, the elevator was made of marble, which is like insane. This is gonna be a crazy trip. Obviously I'm gonna film a whole bunch of vlogs while I'm here and upload them. So I'm gonna be working while I'm here. It's gonna be sick, but I'll catch you guys once we go to that road to see all the supercars. What about the Apple Card? So we're here now on this street. We're gonna see if we can see some cool cars, but tomorrow, where are we going?
We're going to the Museum of the Future.
So I'll put that in a separate vlog, not the usual stuff, the car stuff, but we may also rent a car. So I'm gonna like incorporate a supercar, drive, whatever, and maybe put the GoPro on my head. I don't know. What do you think, LJ?
We're going to rocket.
Very interesting GT500 in there with the convertible. It doesn't sound like one at all. It's an EcoBoost convertible with a GT500 hood. Did you see that? This guy had, you know, the top trim Mustang, like the most expensive one, the Shelby? He had one, but it was an EcoBoost with the bumper. We're probably gonna go back to the hotel and then go to the museum tomorrow and get ready for that, but we have a few other cool cars here. So I think that's a Huracan. I'm not entirely sure, not keeping up with that. And this is a 675 LT. That is a sick car. That's a Bugatti. Right there. Wow. I'm pretty sure that's a Veyron. So that's $1 million car. That's the type of car that we were looking for while we were here. So that's exactly why I went to this street. That's insane. That's gonna do it for this vlog. It's currently 5 o'clock in the morning. I have not slept yet. I took a slight nap on the way back from that road. Unfortunately, we didn't see a whole bunch of the cars out there because people weren't out tonight due to some death of the presidential family. I'm not entirely sure. But tomorrow we are going to the Museum of the Future. So that's gonna be a separate vlog. It's gonna go crazy. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.